Hey, if you've been thinking about starting an online store with Shopify, right now is actually a great time to jump in. There's a promo running where new users can get Shopify for just $1 a month for the first 3 months. What the deal is? So here's how it works. Shopify normally starts at around $29 a month on the basic plan. But with this promo, you lock in just $1 per month for 3 months. That's 3 full months to build your store, test your products, and make your first sales without spending much at all. This is a new user offer, so it's for people who haven't had a Shopify account before. What you get? During those 3 months, you get full access to Shopify's Basic plan. That includes your own online store, unlimited products, 24/7 support, and access to all the core sales channels, including selling on Facebook, Instagram, and in person. You can also set up your own domain, install apps, and start processing real payments from day one. How to claim it? To grab this deal, just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to the Shopify sign-up page with the discount already applied. You don't need to enter any promo code manually. The link handles it. Just sign up, pick your plan, and your first 3 months come out to $1 each. If you're serious about starting an e-commerce store, this is probably one of the lowest risk ways to try Shopify for real. The link is in the description. Give it a look, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments below.